Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today we'll be studying another cut command which is revolve cut. Let's start our video. Okay, for example, I want to cut through this rectangular surface, but let's make it first 3D. Man, okay, extrude boss and base. Let's for example make it 60. Yes, here's my 3D body. There it is. Okay, now I want to select to draw a sketch just in between in the center of this. So which plane passes through its center is a front plane. Okay, I want to draw a sketch on a front plane. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to draw this. Now let's take a spline tool because I want some rough shape here. I want something like this, and now close it here, here, and now here. Okay, I want this type of cavity inside this rectangular body. So go to features, revolve cut. Now it has selected this one, but I don't want this line, I want this line to be selected. Okay, there's direction to or thin feature here as well, but you don't need thin feature because you need to produce this kind of cavity inside. Okay, just click this, and here is your cavity. So the like a type of a bulb, I think. Okay, so there is your cavity. Now you can give any color to it. Just select it, give it a color. I want to give it a color, yellow color, yellow color, and this complete whole board. Okay. Here. Select this part, and I want to give it a color, let's say red color. Okay, now here is my revolve cut command. Now if you want to check, just view it from a section view. There it is. There is your revolve cut. If you want it from other view, from other plane, you can check it from here or from here if you want. Okay, complete view. Now this one, I want it from here. Okay, check it. Now this is your revolve cut command. Symmetric view. Oh, sorry, I have just. Okay, so this was all about revolve cut command. I hope you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Take care.